Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. And click on charging setting and enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see a problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.